Alright folks, video got cut out. It's alright. These are my screwdrivers, Craftsman, slotted. And I have two professionals, one slotted, one Phillips. They're extra long. Here are the Phillips, with the exception of this one. Everything else is pretty much Craftsman. These two are Pratt, made in the USA. Stubbies. And then this is one of those little tire tools to take the valve core out. Next door down, some Craftsman pry bars, some assortment of Allens, and yeah, just hodgepodge again. I like that word. That's my new word, hodgepodge. Here I got some torque wrenches. All three are Craftsman. That's a Craftsman clamp. These two, one is Pittsburgh, one is from Advanced Auto Parts, pipe wrenches. Last drawer on this side, OEM, piece of junk. It works fine, but it'll have no balls. And then this is a Central Pneumatic from Harbor Freight. This here is a gear wrench, and hard to do one-handed. The whole set, complete set. It's just a hodgepodge of sockets, random sockets. This side is my ratchets, brand half-inch extended. This is my brand new flex head half-inch. Craftsman, Pittsburgh, Craftsman. So 90 tooth, I think. Quarter-inch, Pittsburgh. OEM, it's alright. Then a bunch of hodgepodges of random, mostly Craftsman, some Pittsburgh. And I got one of these too. Look at that. And this is a no name, but it's good. It works good. Next drawer down, kind of some specialty brake stuff, clutch stuff, filler gauges, spanner wrench. You used to use it on Humvees. Here's a micrometer, I think is what it's called. I don't know. I've never used that before, but it was in the toolbox when I bought. Next drawer down, Twerks, and these are what do they call them? Triple squares, and then just a random. These are quarter-inch impacts from Craftsman. Next drawer down is for doing oil changes and such. Next one down, some more Craftsman and a few others that I don't really know. These are all pretty much Craftsman here. Craftsman with the exception of these two and these two. This is for working on a Dana 44. I used to have a 78 Ford Bronco. This was for the front hubs on that Bronco. Last drawer. Not really anything in there, but I'm gonna put some, I guess, maybe some specialty items and such. Up here is my welding helmet that I just purchased from Harbor Freight, obviously. It works pretty good. And then in here, some random drill bits and such. Razor blades. This is a US General paper towel holder. And then this side, this is from Northern Tools, little bitty magnetic tray. This is Pittsburgh, smaller tray. Two Craftsman, this one and this one. And last but not least, this sucker. So that's Husky from Home Depot. Well, folks, like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate it. Bye.